from Soft. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I have a squishy box opening from Soft and Slow Squishies. I love squishies and I'm so excited to open this and I have no clue what's in here, so let's get started. I got it open! Okay. Whoa, it's a box. Oh my god, I already see a lot of really cute stuff. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is this little cat. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is so adorable. It's like my favorite color ever. And it's super cute. Whoa. It's really dense. That is so cool. This is awesome. It smells like fruity and chocolatey all at the same time. It's super cute and it smells so good and it's so soft. It's a brain! That's amazing. I've never had a squishy like this. I'm always looking for different squishies, so this is perfect. This is so cool. Oh my god. It smells pretty similar to the other one, like a fruity chocolatey scent. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is awesome. It's super squishy and really cute and unique. I would rate this a 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see this right now? Oh my god, I can't. This is so cool. It's like golden. Oh, this one smells good. This one smells sweet or like a peach. I don't know what it smells like. This one is super duper soft and it's really slow rising. This one's softer and more slow rising than these, but these are like really cute, so this is amazing. These squishies, I dropped my brain. Got it. Okay. So these squishies are super duper cute and really soft and slow rising, and they smell good and they're really cute. So my favorite squishy is probably this one because it's so pretty and it's really soft and it smells amazing and it's super slow rising. So I will put the link down below if you would like to purchase these squishies and more. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below which squishy you think is the coolest and what you want to see from me next. I love you guys so much. Bye!